In this video, I'm going to show you how to open XTB trading account. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to xtb.com, and then on here you have two different options. You could either try a demo account over here so you can see if that's actually something you want to use, and then from your demo account you can open up a real account, or you could just go ahead and start by a real live account. So if you want to go with a real account, click on the create account button up here, top right, and then it's going to ask you for your email, your country, and then you have to give these consents over here, and after you do it, keep on clicking next step. You'll be able to create your password and provide your info, etc., and that way you can actually open an XTB trading account. However, if you want to try a demo first, you'll be able to click on try a demo here, and then first create your demo account, and after you do that, which is also very simple and quick, you'll be able to get the access to this X Station 5 over here, and then in here, this is basically how your demo account is going to look like, and you can just click on open real account whenever you want up here top left, and then you'll be able to actually open up your real account on here directly. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.